Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is ascending order part 2. My dear students, in our class we shall solve question number 5 and 6 as CW and question number 7 and 8 will be your SW. My dear student, today is our lecture number 9 of annual term and today is SW 9. My dear students, I repeat, today is SW number 9. Our today's topic is ascending order part 2. Before starting our class, at first we recall our first class of ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means a smaller to greatest number. That means some number of givens. They are 2, 1, 5, 3 and 9. My dear student, notice here 2, 1, 5, 3, 9. There are some numbers which are not arranged. 2, 1, 5, 3, 9. So they are not arranged in ascending order. That means 2 is greater than 1. Again 5 is greater than 3. So we arrange the number in ascending order. In order to arrange the number in ascending order, at first we find out which number is smallest among the whole number. There are 5 numbers. So I find out which number is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. Notice 2, 1, 5, 3, 9. Among these 5 number, 1 is a smallest number. So at first I write 1. After that, so 1 is done. Next 2, 5, 3, 9 left. From this 4 number, then which number is the smallest? 2, 5, 3, 9. It will be 2. I hope you have understood, and 2 is done. Next 5, 3, 9. From this 3 number, which number is the smallest? 3. So then write 3. After the 3 is done. After this 2 number left, 5 and 9. Which number is smallest between these 2 number, 5 and 9? And we know 5 is a smallest number, and left 9. After that we write 9. I hope you have understood how to write ascending order of number which are not arranged. So I erase this and start to solve questions number 5. My dear students, here are some numbers: 1732, 1956, 1323, 1075 and 1800. My dear students, before starting to solve these problems, at first we write the place of the digit. Here 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 7 is in hundred place and 1 is in thousand place. Similarly, we write 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 9 is in hundred place and 1 is thousand place. Again 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundred place and 1 is in thousand place. Similarly, 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 0 is in hundred place and 1 is in thousand place. Again 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 8 is in hundred place and 1 is in thousand place. My dear student, notice at first we notice the thousand place of this number. Here notice 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So from this 5 number we notice the thousand place number are same. That means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then we shall notice the hundred places number. Here you notice 7, 9, 3, 0 and 8. So from 7, 9, 3, 0 and 8, which number is the smallest? I know you are very smart learner. For this reason you can easily find that 9 is greater than any other number which is in 100 places. That means 1956 is the greatest number among the whole number. So we don't write this because we need to write the ascending order. We find the smallest number. So which one is the smallest? Notice 0. From 9, 7, 3, 8. From this number 0 is the smallest number. So it is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. So I write 1075. Okay. So it is done. And left how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you notice it is the largest number. So I notice 3 number: 1732, 1323, 1800. Here you notice from 7, 3 and 8, which one is smallest? The smallest number is 3. So 1323 is the next smallest number. Now we write 1323 and it is done. And left how many number? It is the largest number. At first we find, then 1732 or 1800, which one is smallest? My dear students, some of you find that it has no tens places and 0 places, so it will be the smallest number. Not, because we notice only the 100 place number. Here number is 8, here is 7, so it is the smallest number. Now we write 1732. Okay, this is also done. And left this one, and this is the largest number. So we can easily write 1800, and the largest number here I box it, which is 1956. Okay, 1956. My dear students, if you don't find the largest number, then it is okay, you can, and this number is left, so it is the largest number. After that you write this in the last. Okay. So now I check 1075. Okay, 1323. Okay, 1732, 1800, 1956. I hope you have understood how to write ascending order of this number. So 5 is done. Next we shall solve question number 6. Here some numbers are given, that means 5 numbers are given. They are 1700, 1025, 1925, 1324, 1629. My dear student, notice at first we write the places, that means this is ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. My dear students, at first we notice the 1000 places. Here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So all the digits are same. So we notice the 100 places number now. Here 100 place number is 7. Here is 0. Here is 9. Here is 3. And here is 6. My dear student, notice from 7, 0, 9, 3 and 6, which number is smallest? 1025 is the smallest. That means 0 is the smallest among 7, 0, 9, 3 and 6. So we can say this number is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. So at first I write 1025. I hope you have understood. Then this one is done, and left 4 number: 1700, 1925, 1324, 1629. My dear students, now you notice again we notice the 100 places number as the 1000 place number is same: 7, 9, 3, 6. Notice 7, 9, 3, 6. From this 4 digit, which one is the smallest? Yes, that one is 3. As 3 is the smallest, so we can say this number is the next smallest number. Now we write 1325 and it is done. And left 3 number: 1700, 1925, 1629. Again we notice the 100 places number, because once 1000 places numbers are same: 7, 9, 6. From this 3 number we notice, this number, sorry my dear students, 1324. I write here 1325. It will be 1324. I hope you have understood. Next 7, 9, 6. From this 3 digit, 6 is the smallest. Then I write this number as the smallest number, 1629. Okay. Okay. And left 2 number, 1700, 1925. From this 2 number, which number is the smallest? You notice 7 is smaller than 9. So we can say 1700 is the next smallest number. And left 1925. 1925. I hope you have understood. Okay. So 5 number and 6 number is done. My dear students, here all the numbers are different in tens, ones place, tens place, 100 place. All the numbers are different in 1000 place. Okay. But if 2 numbers just like 1625, 1635. So here once 1000 place number same, 100 place same. Next we shall notice the tens place number. Here you notice from 2 and 3. 2 is the smallest. So we consider this one, that means 1625 is the smallest between these 2 number. Just like if tens place number is same, that means 4, 5 and 4, 3. Here you notice 1000 place same, 100 place same, tens place same. Then you notice the ones place. Here 5, here 3. So from these 2 number, which one is the smallest? The smallest one is this one. Like this way, you shall find which one is smallest and which one is largest. And if you find out which one is the smallest and which one is largest, you can easily write the ascending numbers of any given numbers. Okay. I hope you have understood, and this is our today's CW. My dear student, question number 7 and question number 8 will be your SW. There are some numbers are given which are 1223, 1920, 1328, 1112, 1562. So 5 numbers are given, they are not arranged. You arrange the number in ascending order. And 8 number 1250, 1298, 1556, 2000, 1900. So there are also some 5 numbers. You must arrange the number in ascending order. So my dear students, you know the importance of SW, because based on your SW, diary marks, city marks and SBM marks will be given. My dear student, your each SW carry 2 marks. So you must do your assign SW in your SW copy, and you submit your SW by your guardians or any other person in our school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. My dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.